Yeah, topic ni to dwa no nkyerɛ sɛ ɛho question na ɛsɛ ubusa David busa question bi a wopɛ bia ɛfa mmeremu na lawyer ɛbɛyi wano ɛde ama enti monhyɛ mame monhyɛ na program no enu akyire because ɛne nsɛm a yɛtetea no ɛkyɛ sɛ ɛnyɛ nsɛm a ɛde kra ɛyɛ madam pre ɛyɛ ahoɔfɛ Pretty Patel home secretary wano ɛnneɛma a kyɛ sɛ wɔn de tutu akwan mu a mo tight mu deɛ ano ayɛ dene ɛno nti ɛbɛhia sɛ saa education ɛyɛ legal education yi wɔkyɛfa ɛwɔ mu ɛno nti yɛsrɛ mo a monhyɛ immigration and asylum family employment civil litigation ɛho nsɛm wɔ ɛho na ɛsrɛ wa nti no bɔmmɔde anahyɛ questions nso bɛtumi ɛde afa yɛ WhatsApp so ɛyɛ numbers na wobɛdɛ frɛ no ɛyɛ 0778 793 9958 anaa 0203 735 8820 0203 286 0185 Yankoma lawyer kwaba na yɛbɛma lawyer kwaba no nso ma menka wo sɛ wɔn a mohwɛ yɛn ɛyɛ Nana Agyeman wɔhwɛ yɛn mesrɛ mu a monhyɛ na ɛnkɔ ɛyɛ program no enu akyiri endu benche ne ɛyɛ pue ne etifi ne atɔyɛ ne anamfo nyinaa no enduwo Melton Kings for mo hwɛ yɛn kwabena gyabi wɔse Dr. Ren ɛna me se betie wo mesrɛ wa mo nso monhyɛ because you've seen 31st yenye free ɛyɛ EU mu a wonim na free UK na akɔfa ID card bi sɛ wo de bɛba kromu a masa de de bɛyɛ wo airport wo wo de wonim ntra de sɛ wo de wo passport wo maame no sisi wo musa amanfo de wo nkrataa betu kromu ani ayɛ adwuma de ama wo bo te wo mayɛ wild pa etimi srɛmo a wonua bi wonim obi ɔyɛ EU ɔyɛ Italian wɔte kromu a na enso so wɔno de wɔkyɛ so ɔte yɛ na enso ne nam Ghana na ne nkrataa bi da wonua no ka kyerɛ no wontie bi ka kyerɛ no wontie bi yɛnkɔ ma lawyer akwaba lawyer good morning.
Good morning, Dr. Ren.
Pom to say.
Oh, Nyamia Domboko, Adepanso, Achie, Biom, Yetia, Yetiefoniane, almost on Facebook, the other platforms, and also, and a Pawinia, Mamachi.
Joe etiefo ejewo so na lawyer obebusa se ene nkomo akono be na wo maye em say last week de nem say na akono nhye da anim saa EU ni bi frame was lawyer so doctor na lawyer see ye babie ma yemfa ID card ntimi nwremu de na o kan on fantim eno mintimi nkan wa o say ebe na asem nso nyi tiene lawyer asem be na wo maye.
Yo, and one, say you go so because last week, announcement, Home Office, and I said, Home Secretary, Meki, not a big announcement, changes we bring, my Meki in terms of immigration rules, and one you go so a church, my church, they don't make me who a point on befaso, na on the board of Muhubai. And then me person me pay particular attention to changes on my year with visitors visa. Changes from one now say not a dose to be brave, but major changes for on my year a visitors visa home. Another changes are a war home so a EU for say now work in Yama changes 1 or 2 be on my year or EU for a fee. Brexit, the fee EU nimu after 31st of December now. In Yemebia, we expect them to know and understand. So you make me abo or moho buying. And I not pay me start with EEA changes now on my end because I know them say a hiake sepa and crofobia bre efrea and one omobisa a dana may say changes be a costonia day and we want them to understand no matter there's some more year. One of the main things and as a themes are a woman regarding changes are almost year efa what we call criminal record. Criminal record. A very, very, very important factor. Otim who said Home Secretary, no, they are taking on squarely. Into the CCR, no, what they are saying is that we any nationality, including EU nationals, after 31st of December, that's how BEMU now we application for settlement scheme, you know, and as why application for settlement scheme no crown. Now, any criminal record that ABI sentence to prison custody for anything more than 12 months. And yeah, so almost the settlement status on the amount. See the amount that answer so omutimi a revoke and as it me a denial entry or at the point of entry, you know. International far over and our bow drive it and our far plane with me I could do airport or only say what the old crew has said that was settlement status and our pre-settled status. We do airports near catch or say, well, based on the new conditions of Modia banning to them, revoke it, which is a very, very, very important step. Microphone need to take notice of. Now, and yet, and non qua because Ubeka say, oh, say prison sentence there, and yeah, media main home, have not had any issue in Tenya, they affect me. We have other people who are almost a lot of issues. Obi Ohonoma now a just said driving offenses. Yeah, I'm sentencing for a very long time, but just a short period because ABA or frequent offender, and then why be near a man of fine, a channel why different thing near be a man of caution, be a channel where be has into over a lot of issues, even though on yeah big thing be I didn't have to prison custody for a very long period of time. These are some of the things since what home office when it me actually na ye revoke or pre-settled status na ye the amount no and now say application be a for pre-settled state way no status no ye fa amount into no and no so ya dia o ma hwehwe e wo sa emrapo pro a omo ye announcement no so na what was even concerning e was that changes o ma ye you know ye amount for omo very bad immigration history. Ubeke efficacy, ubeke home office one as ubeke EU for my year previous applications about Chrome has saying obi hold man year application in the past or year application on year refusing the application you know on the basis say a via our arena or worry nipa na or ya man no on engine to omojin say enye our papa omojin say our area endimu internally yamfa ama no na bi hold man ya from so omombra interview na nipa na bohu or you onko interview the nya dia obeko incident na because of that in application he refused it na ya ye bibia ya finding say bia why ye bibia friend is sham marriage o hwe changes ya omodia be ya almost is a bad immigration history na ya find the what be ye the bit says sham marriage in the past crown pona e ya dia SETimi e refuse wo pre-settled status no. This is something very, very important that people need to be aware of. They need to take notice of.
Lawyer, me pacho answer na beto aso no. Sham marriage ya working. Den we busa say sham marriage. You know bi asebi ono won ti ase no. Ka betimi apoto mu kakra de ama no.
Yo, say oka sham marriage and also oka awaria endi mu a. Say yenya nkrofo eware e okrom ha. Na obeware ewo krom ha say na bi o ha itimi from interview into no obeko interview maybe some questions one or two be bia na mo ne oba no ma no ankoye kro ana woni be ma no ankoye kro and based on that into na efficacy mo for Jane say mo hwehwe ho say because of enkrata into oh yeah aware no ama no na wetimi nya enkrata and no na brofu mukasam yebeka say sham marriage and as a marriage of convenience.
Okay.
In Crawford, when they make an application, now they find that difficult. If they are promo for interview, if so more bear 300 questions. Out of 300 questions, and the bear 10 be now 5 be no anchor back and based on that, you know, if you get him for Jane say our end more, not only jai chidi, if you home court. Obi honuma obeka say me the interview no me nko no we jai chidi into the sa allegation na efficacy mu for aye ewo uti so no na eda ho 10 years ago 5 years ago why we jai chidi eda ho no what efficacy for are saying now they say so why your application for settled status na even oba ewo at the point of entry near check wo immigration history na wo a wukra Dutch passport wo a wukra German passport wo a wukra Italian passport no ye hwe na wo ye aware ma obi a few years ago na ye making allegation of sham marriage na when DHT na eda so da wuti so a entry clearance officer and wait me aka catch us okra unni suban nti no wo brief settle status ni ye revoke it then na just say airport for na no ye be return wa ko be bia ofi a wo buy not just yet so yes something that people need to be aware of so why your application 5 years ago 10 years ago 6 years ago now you refuse the application because of one of these allegations that I work on Mr. for phone not free after the program because you may have to revisit it. You may have to go back to challenge that allegation now or my year at two, because one could challenge that and that's so that would teach you. This is something that can affect your future entry into the country. Now, and enonko, and yet just our repair. Omo ye application for ba obi ohonuma ebia unia biba ebia wo fa biba opese okofa no eba kroning because maybe no te say we ye national otimi ye adoption otimi kofa obi ba eba krom ha say easily nkrofo koye e ko try some be but ye can we fidie so on several occasions ekwan a obetimi afa so na odi afa obi ba e de aba krom ha say but because a long process no kakakra ewo mu nti no nkrofo prefer say on be take shortcut nti no be hwe no obi ba no na wakotwa awodan krata e de ato so say ono na akwala ne papa ono na akwala ne mame na odi ato so na odi aye application ama akwala no and initially no near ma nkrofo bebre but they got to a stage woyɛ application na wo ba na wo do airport ni achi akwala no ni agi akwala de say bɛyɛ DNA anaasɛ bɛkyerɛ mu sɛ ampa akwala yɛ wo ba nti no there were a lot of people even ɔmo yɛ application ni wie yɛ no ni refuse ɔmo because efikese mo ko ehu sɛ awodan krataa na ɛda wei no so no ɛnyɛ papa awodan krataa na ɛda akwala no so no ɛnyɛ papa instead so on be follow up no be making sure say on ma kɔgye ɔmo ti efi so akyerɛ say no application wey papa anawe na ɔmo gya ekyidi all those people na ɔmo wɔ bad immigration history ɛyɛ EU nationals no what we are saying is based on these changes now ebe take effect from 31st of December 11 p.m. 31st of December 2020 what they are saying is even if you crowd Dutch passport, even if you crowd German passport, your amount pre-settled status, who work with the point, but who do airport, you take it with history. Now we one of these applications, where entry clearance office and FFD say we need power to bind and answer with immigration history and get the best. On bet me a denial entry or airport on at the point of entry. This is something very significant. Into what we are advising people, they say the would hear me. You've made an application in the past with sad way, or my your refusal be able to. Being die a tree and can say, oh, me my try some of the old but and and then we die because we just oh EU passport, it will be okay. No, okay. What they are saying is, well, bad immigration history, it makes me refuse to entry. We want people to take notice of this and act accordingly because the fact that we crony there over person with 2 point na wo ba na wunya issue say our airport ebe harding be brave you bet me are returning if you are not aware of these changes are taking effect this is something that we want your listeners to take notice of and then act accordingly omo bet me afraid you bet share so only refusal will be in the past near that time no and within a month 28 days na appeal we na say boa na we ya ye be boa ama why if any appeal una obetimi aye na a new application na esa wo ye so that you can take that allegation off your head we will advise you accordingly but people need to act accordingly I say we take it we documents now we do ejuma ben jai hd and can say oh be we my try my we say there be the new changes can affect you.
Yo, where the hey, na just see there a digging of information.
A digging of information, yeah, call back. If you get for the air, call back to history to make sure say even why you be in the past grandpa ombetimi eyi edi emiao ewo krom ha say
asempa ni yenti yenkona yenti ofrefo yi was sending them voice note yenti
yo with that say
na me asem kakra me busan say adopt no say obi adopt obi no da so adwuma okrom wa pecho de ntia me busan say my bi na ene ne wa ha we yiwini we onu ana adwuma self employed na say aban dia efike aban dia aban say efike sim dia brain say obetimi aginipa enan e de tra krom ha nti me busan say sa no sa yi no ya ebetimi aye adwuma na be pese badaro man pese me hu na me hu se me hu yumbia badaro ma
if I show Dr. Ray name say na line ni mu nye clear kakra obetimi abot to tofa amamia ke be me de papa
okay my main say ye betumi asa enya na ne your friend is saying question bi aye
kasa free Birmingham na me asem kakra me busan say adopt no say obi adopt obi no da so adwuma okrom wa pecho de ntia me busan say my bi na ene ne wa ha we yiwini we onu ana adwuma self employed na say aban dia efike aban dia aban say efike sim dia brain say obetimi aginipa enan e de tra krom ha nti me busan say sa no sa yi no ya ebetimi aye adwuma na be pese badaro
lawyer pacho ote
and yet clear
Okay.
but let me try and explain abia dia okay you know
em said the person what training nyina say na down for be enya letter free efficacy no mu kire say adoption obetumi adopting kofo be for no obisa say adoption no da so adwuma na
okay Martina say and yet I will be very surprised say obenya letter fee efficacy mu for her say obetimi aye adoption be nipa 4 okay adoption no ni krani mu ni edaso ye adwuma if we follow the right processes you know edit the right documents you know with the right advice and representation possible say obetimi aye there's no number say ubetimi adopt nipa 10 and ubetimi adopt nipa 5 and ubetimi adopt nipa 1 baby what we say is we look at for personal circumstances obi wo honoma or 10 bedrooms you know or no ubetimi adopt be nipa 20 because go for no mo ba ni no obenya dan amomada okay so wo 1 bedroom untimi ko gina honoma say okwa adopt nipa ba kwa na nipa mienu you know the infer number and a limit and to say obi abetimi adopt nipa say but what we are saying is your personal circumstance never determine the number of people are waiting acquired form at their back room has it. So we are self-employed, it doesn't matter because still no you are earning some income. The most important thing is make sure you evidence of your income. Ebra, ubetimi akofa ediaba. Eya na employing bebre no self-employed for no. Okay, someone for proof of income and almost struggle kakra because they don't know where to bring it from. Yeah, you know, we look at what you have declared to the HMRC. You know, for SA 302 document, Ebra. SA 302 no a conclusive evidence of amount of money what earning in the past with tax year. That document about NASA income enough. Then you've proved your income beyond reasonable doubt. Are there everything you used to know their application amount? Yes, no correct. We EU national not person we adoption and your problem. But make sure say all the evidence that you be here no wait me in your mind and we'll be more than happy to do it for you. The call be a new no man, move it quickly to
lawyer ansana ube move quickly no yenya mami ma onya abutransa na ansana we move quickly wo ma mo hwe wo Facebook no ma mo nyina mo akwaba mo so amutie with TUNEIN so ye ma mo akwaba na emom no telephone numbers no ubese obisa me hu say Daniel pompa so obisa question bi Daniel numbers na be de be frɛ no 0778 793 9958 0778 793-9958 henti lawyer waye crowd waye ready obese wotie wo na busa de bia meka say to said ye here doctor no, ye yare here doctor no, sanso na ye wo abrochi a ye here lawyer papa, and twema asem bi to one sana. And on a 2 hour when you hasty decision, Bruni Becca hasty decision, no akope lawyer be a sebio, when you one more number be now fade a pocket lawyers if we are and I'm crummy, Wakwako say the credible of so and so is article so, then no boy wanted that. And if a number no, 0778 793 9958. Nebusa question na lawyer, when you are no, kama, and farmer lawyer, Pacho, wait to me. Atwaso.
Yo, one of the changes I hear bossy say last week, major changes, I hear a lot of changes for skilled worker routes, and I say, person work permit, the back room has say, and on the major man next week now, down for form person mobile with work permit every year, 2 man next year, and next week, Mamuti and a Monshan also, you ever bought a home come into detail. What you need to do near there, but and then no me person concentrating kakra our visitors visa because in your in said nipa be 100 Ghana for ukrum have 100 at 200 will be someone say deben krata now the back room her first time or be catch us visitors visa or buy
lawyer asemina wo boss we visit me say madam Fubia na no wo back room on ye share no airport ne busa ne say your friend was saying was saying the dean Eddie Francis Checheku. Now Francis, over there was me back for visit. Now Chef Francis Ekolaka, what they buy now Bruni Busan say just a visit and you have more than 3 suitcases or so. Yes, I'll see. Or say yes, I like to dress a lot. And also sir, and Busan the capital. What they buy bet na hanso a year for sa holiday in 1 month 30 days near say yeah. Francis Kofesika a year £120. Now Bruni Busan say hey. 120 pounds and I would baby stay for 30 days. Or see that is a lot of money from a year Accra Ghana. Based in there, Francis won't call back and one in them or the power warrior what trust here.
Yeah, so research this a dear. Yeah, na the entire embo home come
You buy uncle.
Papa say dia wo kan ye no nkofo bebre no omo bae no omo ba nsrahwe omo be du kro no mo hu se kro no mu no de ana se kro no ye nti omo nko bio nti no ya na important say kakra nyema bi e be ba ho no so betimi abobo so na obetina kro no na so nua bi so ebe sraw no so be kwesa ha de ana ha nye da we hu kwan a obefa so na obevoa nipa na wetimi abakrom ha say na changes are if you can see for announce here are a bit take effect from next month, which is December. No, travel document. Who said person say oh yeah application abahase for hence like that. It was very important say overwork passports. Without the passports, it was not possible say ubit me a year application for visitors visa. My son or my yama tweaky immigration rules in Kakra to now say says that any travel document proving beyond reasonable doubt say ufi corona workers ufi honomuna ubetini use to travel document in place of national passports. I believe strongly said the reason why on my year this changes is to allow EU for almost so back because it's say more mutia ye can want some so we EU national. Now when to me I get pre-settled status and settled status maybe na ye fimu we are also ba say they are Ghana for acquire application for visitors visa no sana wants to acquire application for visitors visa until what they are saying is they are allowing people to be able to use their national ID and any document to show that you are a national of that country to make an application to the my year changes and now we share old visa rules now. Now almost be your friend ground for refusal. Ground of refusal, no say if you are back home has say what be overstay has say more than 30 days automatically the amount 12 months ban it's been move. But they've done a bit of tweaking and changes you or to allow a bit of flexibility. For instance, back home has say between March and August 31st, 2020, overstay any nyano. What they are saying is that they will ignore that in any future application. Into the end, back Roma, sure say all the visitors visa buy before the lockdown. But sure say room and as they've made it clear, they've written it in some of my announcements over the time. If you want no much trouble, big website and they say room. But now they've put it in writing in the immigration rules. Within that period of time, if you had overstayed for any reason during the lockdown, any idea on the mouth, ama with me, abamu, 12 month automatic ban, yedema amount for no. It's very, very, very good for people who were not too sure, people who were worried about the current situation. Now, another thing too that we have realized, and I said they've toughened up, so they're not maybe also earlier on, for changes now, oh my, the issue to do with suitability. And as the record say, they will need to buy my own back room, I say, for visitors visa rule, they've made a few changes there. So, over any criminal custodial sentence for more than 12 months, irrespective of the time that it took place, irrespective of the age that you got sentenced, it doesn't matter which country you were sentenced to now. Any custodial sentence for more than 12 months, a very, very, very important change that they've made in this way, because previously, if you had any sentence more than 12 months, they will ignore it. What they are saying is that it doesn't matter which time that offense took place. We are waiting to see guidance. We don't know, say now what they will mean. They say they will need. They say, oh yeah, application for visitors visa on because of criminal record if you police station na faka ho and so na wait me your application, or on what basis or how they are going to find out say in criminal record so that they can refuse them. We believe say they have introduced this way, clause into the new immigration rules. Say they are almost EU continent are almost work criminal record. Apart from this, in Yemen kitinkiti be hold on to say bia we application now what the fake document remu na yehu na anase the tweaking be kakra ho. If you what they are saying is the ukoye application na you go who say document be a document na any document papa whether say wouldn't and I say wouldn't so be they share hono mao and na bibia so you be refusing first wait nyakoye application or the bank statement be wakota bank statement will be their frame na yehu I see owo de na wonnim say bank statements near the mao na papa ana enye papa because obi na de mao ana say bank na de mao ana wo fa bi na de bank statements mao say obet support so instruction na wo ba chrome has say and then you get away with it. No they are saying say whether say wonnim ana wonnim they will make sure say application is refused. It's your responsibility to make sure say application now there's no false representation, there's no false document. It was that application. A very, very, very significant where people need to be aware of, because one thing now your application that document be confronted how be in future any application be how. Another thing too that they've included near backroom has here, they've been involved in sham marriage in the past. Into the backroom, how we chrome has say application yes why sham marriage near what
Mepacho jina sumami na yemfa caller na yemana kwaba. Hello, good morning caller. Welcome to
Good morning.
Mepacho lawyer waha otio.
Mepacho, my question is minia ewo okay me madam fuba me or ye minia antino or Ghana ntino owo onya obabi ewo British territory ewo Caribbean honemo ewo island ena opese obanu pese ka oba Ghana na obesra no nti from there no ba omu mi no mani jomo hu nti sese no ono cheki Ghana how ekwan a Ibiana se basa onu pese okoho a ana we pese oba Ghana no. Nti my question is say base ka on pese omu ware a ekwan be nsu na nipa wo British island hɔ no betimi aware the no wɔ Ghana hɔ no abra mu use UK law no because ɔbaa no according to ɔbaa no ɔkyerɛ sɛ ɛwɔ mu kurom hɔ no saa 18,600 ni ɔda nneɛma na yi ɛwɔ use wɔ ha no na yɛde ware wopɛ sɛ ware obi ɔwɔ England ha no na Wales no and Scotland it doesn't apply. Nti me bisa lawyer say ebetimi ayɛ possible say ɔno betimi aba no abɛyɛ aware wɔ hɔ no na ɔno no kɔ hɔ ana they have to use UK law why ɔno no wɔ Ghana hɔ no ne kɔkanti na yɛ no wɔ no ɛyɛ Anguilla Anguilla.
Yo.
Medasi bebre. You see, you were UK, you were other countries we are part of the UK, and that's more rules. For instance, obi eware na so officer within the court baby to against okay, and now baby to say Jersey ni idea na this social health surcharge ni idea. So what I'm saying is say if Anguilla Honomono 18,600 no does not apply for people who live there, then he doesn't have to worry about that. So Betinyako Wareno, not Odnako Anguilla Hono without any issue. So Oji and Kratan Emanemaneko Anguilla Hono every na later on officer or nene back room has here, then it's a different story. Then we have to look into how I reach me at Nefi Anguilla Hono I don't know about UK has said. Intino so Anguilla Hono the corner advice and say over here 18,600 now. Then I'll say yes, take their rules. You know, for us here in India, we are more concerned about a man from person mobile UK has said. Okay, and when we come here, that is where we advise. Unfortunately, me now advise to British overseas territory or rules because every overseas territory, any what and how the immigration system works. Into the advice to me the Nipana Bahonoma, I'll say take that because that is what you can advise on. That's my brain. Hello, Timika.
Lawyer, I'm say Oti Unka and hello, lawyer, Pacho Timinka. Hello, lawyer.
Okay, I will just go ahead.
Lawyer, me too, can I say
analyze ways services visa rules now. Omode abetu egano. Dr. Ren, hono.
Me wa say lawyer Timinka. Hello, lawyer Timinka. Hello, lawyer, yeti unka pa na mame nkona membo a friend is audio na abano na lawyer nso enyi anoma yen kama.
Dr. Ren, what Timinka?
We wa try lawyer me too unka Timinka. Lawyer, tie na tie.
Good morning, lawyer Dankwe.
Yankona emso obi nso aba o man so da yankonkunku tie voice note no so aba ne yankonkunku tie ne kama na
Dr. Ren, what Timinka?
Lawyer me too unka pacho sa so Timinka de a yankona yankotie voice note aba.
Yeah, good morning, Dr. Ren. Good morning, lawyer Dankwe. The Mosini Ejmapa Moye Amaya. Pacho, my first question is say EU for no Brexit for no Britain free EU mu 31 December no. Pacho say EU citizen why EU
application. Lawyer Metung Big Joe Metunka lawyer Metunka na Pacho tie voice note here. Pacho Timinka. Hello lawyer.
Pacho, my first question is say EU for no Brexit for no Britain free EU mu 31 December no. Pacho say EU citizen why EU application indefinite. Not we share baby no so ne worry. Na say omo wa na say by December never so no na bia wale customer certificate ni nya medru ya mo maya. Na say December 31st twem kudu January. Obetuma sa wale ne stella la. En na dey am pese me hu. Han omo ya ware no omo ye obema ndika ware no ye divorce nto wi anankoma ya ware na ayede ato aso to relationship dey abigane itina me simi buza se bia say marriage certificate na ntia me drew by December ya next be December ni twom betima ye. Secondly, my cousin back ono so o share union ne ware.
Hello lawyer Pacho Timinka. Hello lawyer. Say lawyer so on Timinka na me ally too. I also want Timinka na lawyer mpacho Timinka. Oh. Question course no so ba na eba na etie form fanche na yenhwe na nti se na me kai no wo guso a wo hwe yen Fortwell Solicitors every Tuesday bia no ntimo a mo hwe no Tuesday bia no ye ne lawyer danko etwetwe enkomo nti lawyer pacho me hwe wo waba back na nyame ase caller no mesi nti we nyahwe yenkofa voice note no na amsere caller bobodi ana frɛ biem why Mr. calls na eba na emsena lawyer nso wo de yenkofa voice note na abasisi ya no.
Yeah, good morning, Dr. Rain. Good morning, Lawyer Danko. The Mosini Edma Pa Moye Amaya. Patron, my first question is say EU for no Brexit for no Britain free EU 31st December no. Patron say EU citizen what why EU application indefinite. Not was sure baby or not on any worry. Na say omo wa na say by December never so no na bia awale no customer certificate ni nya medru ya omo maya na say December 31st twam kudu January obetuma asa awale ne stella la en na dey ambese me hu ha omo ye aware no omo ye obema ndika aware no ye divorce nto wi anankoma ya aware na aye ato aso to relationship dey abigane itina me simi buza say bia say marriage certificate na nya medru by December ya na say bia December ni twam betuma aye. Secondly, my cousin back one so was share union in a worry, but sir cousin no the car worry will be na anye ye. And I say the passport now could difficult in the passport now no so quite customary marriage. Now but I say the passport na I could difficult in and sanka no your customary marriage for no. Obet me the passport na una kwa ya na say because problem. That must it.
Dr. Ren, me da sense ne question na obisa ye no. Ye nua na obisa e fa no so EU national o jaya ware and some akoware obi no onye sure to betimi awie before 31st December no. The answer is yes, obetimi aware because on a settled status that omo settled status and not more pre-settled status omo krum has say no. If after 31st of December omo person omo warrior your be withdrawal agreement. The withdrawal agreement now UK enter with the EU no will still cover them until still no they will be able to make an application without any issue under the withdrawal agreement now UK no more signing you know. They will struggle to get married after 31st of December 2020 you know onwards. EU nationals are only pre-settled status by that date. The only pre-settled status by that data, then it will be a problem. It is also very, very important when we are making applications, future applications, that we look at time the relationship started. Okay. If we need a relationship started before 31st of December, now very, very, very helpful in the application process. Meka said he shouldn't worry too much about it until me and we divorce before 31st December. No. So long as I want a pre-settled status and a settled status, you know, even after 31st December, no, wait me I continue with na warrior, no.
Lawyer, Mr. Where once would ye ubetimi afrena once would questions and so abba na lawyer and so wano edi amount kama nti numbers abetimi afreno 0778 793998 nti Mr. Wabomodiana also efre na mame enkai say Anita so wo hwe yen wo share and Queen Flourish edino the ye was say good morning everyone so and another bob was say good morning Lawyer Danko and Dr. Ren, God bless you all for the good work or this year banso was a great job omonso ehwe yen kama and Mr. Wa unse ya shemaye na send your lawyer kano CCA de information digging and tia kwanya ye fast wa ye de back room ha no ye ba ye see ba for visit na fi ya ba be kano ho ansensem lawyer yenkwa anwane so na yemfa yunua na ono so efre ye no. Hello, good morning and welcome to GN Radio UK.
Hello, good morning, Karen.
Good morning. Pacho betimi ama ono so kakra ma ye.
Me pacho timinga.
Me te nka clear demu clear nti lawyer ti wo.
Yo, good morning, lawyer Pacho, Mr. Lawyer say, so we application call home office at this time. So Pacho, Sammy no, Mrebe now Bema Akobon Sano, and now this our lawyer and a book appointment ma o Akobon because my baby would last week ya person pisa.
Yo, any chance so now lawyer Bama answer. Why?
Yeah.
This year, no, it depended the type of application. Why? May you do FLRFP and answer almost year application for 2.5 years, you know, as a typical example. Almost year application for 2.5 years, you know. Say and year application normally no lawyer no oboa year application in a book appointment amount wakobo on sano. Unfortunately, no year application no most applications, you know, they are not giving you the ability to book those appointments because of COVID-19 situation. You know. The reason is that there's a lot of backlog. I almost try say clear before they give people the opportunity to go and book an appointment. Until we have a lot of applications, yeah, over the months, like 1 month or 2, we don't have the capacity to book appointment for them to go and do the biometric. What I always tell people is say, so lawyer na aye application number. Now you are worried, say, why application number? Go back to a lawyer now. Now all evidence is say he's waiting for them to give him the ability to book the appointment for you. Once you have that document, you know, an application checklist, and other documents, you know, clearly, and then it shows to say what application has been submitted. Just say yeah, train am I book appointment system now because what we don't want to say, lawyer be catch us say why application, you know. Now 6 months down the line, nobody realize now application be ending. It is a lawyer let's say or train am I book appointment my name out documents now a trace or train am I application appointment am I biometric, you know. Very, very important.
Yo, minia say what intino lawyer de number betudwa. Why? Na say ye pon abomode ana frɛ no na gyan nsɛm ni nyina no betumi de ato a na wotumi mboaboa ye ho ntentem ne yemfrim ne nya ahotɔ because ehia pa nkrata sɛm no ehia pa titiriw no fa no every 1st of January 2021 enuema ebesisa pa. Why? Timi da se koso anabo ho de ro na tie gyan radio UK. Messages na ebi aba no or say good morning Dr. Ren. I was watching you from I'm watching you and lawyer Danko my first time. Thank God. It's a good program and I'll continue watching. I was seeing the first time no one put your name say Tuesday program be I was so Mami Ekwianso was say na saa na program bi wɔ Tuesday so saa yɛnkɔ line no so amanfoɔ frɛ yɛnkɔ ntɛm wɔ. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Pacho, lawyer, Michia lawyer. Pacho, I say me busa question ba kuma me sister. On any husband, omu baba ye EU marriage ni bi. Na by December no ni kuno a document indefinite be expire in December. Na apply for marriage certificate no Ghana but nye ready and buy last week say ni pakro no the man no wan fanko. This week ya no the call ye. Intina mi busa say what about say a delay na a banner for ebia aye later. Na ni kuna yin expire, is it going to affect my sister? And I'm say me who say they say because of COVID a chance and when your appointment it is it possible say bana aspire e be work here na no you worried no timpacho me question ni me damase
yo yes ye dase causality lawyer wo yi wa no
Yeniana or worry of your indefinitely by expired December. No, I would say Bema on be how be brave. The most important thing is by the time December not what the application for higher than up to. It is true say appointment is taking longer than normal, but Yeniana or EU national no so yen application in now obey me a use home office app no. I verify the biometric details. I don't know the reason why I want me and all train My advice is say on Friday after the program, no, we'll be more than happy to help them to expedite from application and say they're able to back quickly before 31st of December. But say they're making obia obetini aye application for settled status and our pre-settled status before 31st of December. No, say say or worry after that date now. It should not be a problem. Obetini aye application because of withdrawal agreements now UK I enter with the EU. No, that shouldn't be a problem. So don't panic. What I tell people, they say it is very, very important that marriage certificate or document I will be here now the be submission. You know, you will get the right document rather than say obe rush it na obenya problems. Say time will move before I be say thoughts and a basic account. Let's try now. I explain the marriage certificate document, you know, because who say during this period, people who be rush some benya of marriage certificate. And based on that, you know, they are making a lot of mistakes, which is even delaying the application process. It's where 2-3 minutes, you might check to most of them and get the marriage certificate right first time, no many issues.
Your lawyer, my main messages we Emma was say good morning, Dr. Ren. My first time watching you, and I think that I'm enjoying myself for this program. Very educative, I must say. Continue the good work, and also my question to lawyer, how quick can one get a marriage certificate from Ghana? I want to marry I want to marry, but I just want to find out since I'm told that by 31st December we are coming out of EU. So I want to find out if it's possible to get married quickly so that I can bring my husband from Ghana to join me over here. We every year abena eho.
Yo, Abuna, in terms of quickly, how quick you can get married in Ghana, a question of the local authority and as a local assembly, more ewo Ghana no. Obi or war Accra, also called AMA, might be longer than Obi or war father so obeko ebi KMA. No akoye na warrior and as Obi obeko Gan East and as a Gan West assembly, no akoye na warrior because local aware no if you are in your local assembly okay na local assembly ne ebi mu quicker than others into no while with me if local authority they decide on how quickly they can get it done. They are the best people to answer that question for you.
Your lawyer, you better say na make I will say you need Fortwell Solicitors egusua you know mo etwetwe eye enkomo lawyer danko na no ni edi nkomo yi na enti say messages aminya no emunyase for the first time ana womo ehwe no munim se BBC ewo ho Tuesday enti womo bekoso na womo ahwe we o say nana ana mehwe we susu say Jones o say lawyer o chirechire nsemu kama na me say a time you know my first time watching you. What time does the show end? You started from 10 near upon 11 why we kukua Tikukwa Tuesday biano but modiana join ye send ye nemaya amana ye feno na mun share program no na mun busa questions question dey here because send ye here woko hospital a wo angasa na busa doctor wangasa na do asem tudwa no me betena ha me dey ne seminar wo de mama ya na matoa ma lawyer na lawyer nso yi wano ntimisrem a it's good say asem no be free mo ho na lawyer tumi eyi mo no e dey amamo Tikukwa and Tuesday biano benada biano 10 to 11 pepepe na yede 1 hour program tia na wahye nso na watro no diary mu why na wahye nso kama when so every Desmond was say lawyer thank you so much for this educative program. It's my first time and I will continue tuning in and lawyer me say eneno yenya first time for no wo do kakra na akasima be 6 minutes bi na ya ma muso ni krakra ani nsem bi a wo ho apese wo de bone tofo nyina nso e de maye na afi nso bebi a ye betumi ehu wo na so obi ba wo nchen a ene pocket lawyers na do so wo munyi wo manim ana mo hide wo baby we de oba no yi nanim na we who say yes only the videos wo ha ya available enti no ntimi nka se wo be ye we ye wa gadre bi wo no mo wa gadre fo ne na egugu wo no wo ntimi nyi wo manim no mo nam na o mada no mo ho ye bedroom offices da bi we nye sa enti Fortwell Solicitors de wo se ahonya mu boafo no ampa ansanso ana me de me ye testimony no madance die nie no enso ede ama ana lawyer me nka adanse die no ansana ana se pese wo wi anam de adanse die na ba.
Oh, my main way so because of time, Nancy.
Okay.
First and foremost, with us, your mom joining and there for the first time, so won't see and that's so to be joining and then next week so be kind home. Yeah, war Hornsey, one money baby, one year war Hornsey, a bit back at 10 Park Lane Station. These are the nearest train stations that are buying office. Opese will contact me after the programmer. Ubeti me after me. It was 079 449-76161. Share your Facebook, who your numbers, bottom honum, who your office number, BPA, honum. Free consultation. We are one of the few firms that we don't charge to do any consultation. What would or any issues, we are no feel free there. Pray and also be book your appointment. No, be here our office now. Issue we will be and waiting and discuss it. Apart from your London office and also every Thursday, you call Milton Keynes. You will Milton Keynes. You set up office in Milton Keynes so that we can advise you more almost to Milton Keynes, any neighboring towns. Now, a war no to say Luton, Northampton, and then internet office will be here Thursday. We our Milton Keynes are from 9:30 to 5:30. You will a honor friend. We book your appointments. I'm on near the address. I'm on waiting. HCI. A honor. Apart from immigration and other areas, to say family law, civil laws and probates, employment law. These are the other areas that we act on. In terms of na rush application before 31st of December. No, say the American a fear because we don't have to go for interviews here and all that. It's me and quickly in so much to ultimately our application. But it is very, 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 very important that people understand the processes of getting that AFIA so that they don't get wrong marriage certificates that will even going to cause more problems for them. So we need AFIA documents that will be randomly. Like I said, we bear 10 marriage certificates if you ever bear 9 but not problems were home. Mistakes were so issues were home. They have to take it back for it to be done again. Nti ye nuamu a mopese mokoye efie aware no me advice am de mama ne say but more than na book your appointment na be hu ye ni en church or a kwan a obenya sa marriage certificate no so that you go and get it right the first time. Sometimes the crown pony we advise people say so we your marriage certificate ni wo fie area before obetua sika na on their fa DHL and also their fa courier bi na mo their bro e wo krom ha no but more than na scanning na fan sending with lawyer na on should and making sure say the bia okay was to answer no the aba because marriage certificate na efifie eba no na problems na also we have about 4 sets of documents yet totality na marriage certificate one per touch ma per how one of the documents that any papa your Ministry of Foreign Affairs, a somebody letter to so, a somebody judicial service, any letter to a letter of authentication, if the local assembly and so when your marriage certificate in Ankasa, and son a wakunya affidavit so ubeke 5 documents I saw the 50 edeba. Would the bar wakoji letter if Ghana High Commission edia to so maybe that just a court 6. What the start 6 documents na ebe to me na ba ko prampo enye papa make a chote sanfa ko na koye ni na sanfa bra nti ye nyoma mo ye marriage certificate na me tell be rush say me koye me marriage certificate we am my documents and send am be who lawyer am na twemu ama there be make sure who lawyer na na church room lawyer na so onim how the Ghanaian marriage certificate works and how it is and send wa koye and so be koye wa die na o dia ko baby na ade basa amount sisianso no for okoye na esaya benji say nipa na waware the penny problem wants to problem because you kwan na wo buy wait nya stop we airport because you be accused of okoye sham marriage it's very 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 important say mo amuti no mo betimi ehie eni akasa nya church mu ansa na makoje mo krata na ba
Yo lawyer anopei yebeda wase papa na ewo eye nkyerɛkyerɛ a wode ama yɛn ɛna anopei nso na megye di sɛ next week nso no yɛbɛtoa so na meka wo sɛ Fortwell Solicitors deɛ wɔn ɛyɛ ahoyɛ mu boafo ampa na ma menkan ɛyɛ madansidie nie sɛ wonte adansidie no ase a wɔse testimony time ɛne nti testimony wei ɛfiri yankasa yɛnua abranteɛ wɔse medin ɛyɛ Frank ɛyɛ Frank ɛyɛ nunu ɛno ɛse lawyer ɛyɛ obi a odi no korɛ na deɛ metumi aka ne sɛ wɔhyɛ wo time na sɛ ɛyɛ 9 pɛpɛpɛp deɛ a mesrɛ wo di so ɛnyɛ saa deɛ ɛno deɛ problem kakra ɛwɔ ho Frank sɛ matena kroma for 8 years na anuama nkɔ yie ana kyerɛ sɛ amanfoɔ nso adi mesika paa mesika a yɛdi deɛ ɛwɔ pocket lawyers hɔ deɛ ɛyɛ bro ɛyɛ over 20,000 ɛyɛ pounds ana yɛdi na mmom no mehyia lawyer no na mapa aba na nso so madamfo ika kyerɛ me sɛ wɔnya nkrataa ɛfiri ɛyɛ Fortwell Solicitors wɔ megye di yɛ na nso na still anso na mewɔ me doubt kakra ɛfiri ɛnam sɛ me ɛyɛ bad experiences yi nokora nie mehyɛ aseɛ yi ankyɛ sisie nyame ada Roma 5 years yi menye bie a enche kra no eba na ewie ya me ba besese mu Fortwell Solicitors de omo ye ahoye mboafo nti Dr. Ren ka kire tiefo nyina se me Frank nunu se ene metumi kofie etumi ba na winning krata de a ya o menua ya papa nti me de aseda kese de matwe di ampo nyankopon ana nso me sa da eye me anka sama damfo a ofre no ye friend eye obaya wono ana introduce you Fortwell Solicitors nti se ne obi introduce you me ma Fortwell no me nso me ka kire wo se wonso introduce eye afoforo efama Fortwell Solicitors no mo ye ahonye mboafo nti mo amohwe yen a mo tie yen mo introduce Fortwell Solicitors we eye Frank Nunu wasi me mfie a menya eye o medi eye mfie ene 52 years na hwese ma betena krom ha na menya nkrata me brɛ papa na enso eye adwoa ene ya omoboa me ena mo introduce Fortwell enti mo nso mo introduce Fortwell Solicitors sene asempa no etie no enti madanse die nyina enie enti Frank ena de brɛ ye wo se wotie yen ehwɛ yen efri eye Milton Keynes ewo eye Midlands lawyer adansidie no enie
yo me that papa say monso metimi amamo adansidie is very very important there amanfo a oma buy and hon mama fire and sema itimi abo no they will come out to let people know so that people can also benefit say they will can in the beginning of the program the lawyers and CCI your dogs no but it's very very important that you go to a reputable firm that will be able to assist you with a fixed address fixed place when it's all quite happy na obe hu when you come to Fortwell Solicitors, we make sure say the BIA we take you along. Yeah, client care services is next to none, and we help people, we assist people. We no matter what the issue is, and it's very important. Say Chrome has a one the credit and that's what we thrive ourselves in, and that's what we pride ourselves in. More any issues with immigration, more worried because of all the changes that are taking place nowadays. Mr. Any issue you want to be asked, feel it free to be free. Your numbers, they are available 24/7. We can 24/7 with your friend during working hours, and we'll be more than happy to say, answer amamo. To our office at the free appointments. You can come to street or MK, which may be our London office anytime during your working hours, Monday to Friday, 9:30 to 5:30. Yeah, that's it, brave.
Yo, and yeah, that's it, and yet, way, and I fabo, bra. Na my country set Fortwell Solicitors there every Tuesday be ano so wamo boayen. Wase madansi die nie. What na krom ha che. Odi won ho join Fortwell Solicitors a wo benya dance die ni bi edi. Mamenda Big Joe ase. Se wo boa me chinchim afidie ni nyina. Se wase menhia Fortwell Solicitors anka wawu. Up next DJ Amani. Nyame adum so ochina yebeto aso. Onso tie bi.
Bakasha ni dia ni mwonyam. They were dancing dia bio. Ay, ready ay. Oja ready ajemia. Bakasha ni dia ni mwonyam. Edu baby sankori basi mabua. Don't tell me sorry bakumi. Ay, mijura wa menano. Oh, oje fuwa ilia. Ni dani na nishio bali mabi. Angwa ngwa